Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name?
Hi, Jack. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you. Hi, Jack. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, meh. What do you do? Nice to meet you too, meh. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you? I'm a graphic designer. How about you?
I'm a software developer. I'm a software developer.
That's cool. That's cool.
What do you do? What do you do?
I run my own business. I run my own business.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I've been married for 2 years now. Yes, I've been married for 2 years now.
Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English?
I love learning new languages. I love learning new languages.
How did you learn English? How did you learn English?
I took classes for 3 years. I took classes for 3 years.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time. I don't have any free time.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
Gorgeous. A perfect summer day. Gorgeous. A perfect summer day.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. I'm 26 years old.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue and red. My favorite color is blue and red.
Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day?
Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 5 siblings. Yes, I have 5 siblings.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at Automation PVT. Ltd. I work at Automation PVT. Ltd.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
How's your family? How's your family?
They're doing well. They're doing well.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 7414010010. It's 7414010010.
What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I like to cricket. I like to cricket.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in India. I live in India.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic. Thanks for watching. Everyday English Pro. Please like, share, and subscribe.